Strike two, Nathaniel. Saint something or other.
Saint Eloi.
Saint Eloi.
Am I supposed to cross my legs?
Yeah, go like this and hold your feet like it's a cannonball. I don't know how people cannonball.
Like this?
Just cross your legs when you're jumping. Try it. It's great fun.
Indian style.
Serious fanatic.
Just embrace your Cherokee side.
I am 1/10 Cherokee, everyone. That's why I don't pay tax.
Nobody cares. Okay, go.
And I own a casino. Ha ha! Yes.
Go.
Shundai.
Please.
Everyone, I don't want to die, so Shundai.
Nathaniel, just jump.
Whoa.
I'm not even kidding you.
Shwo.
Break your oh,
Shwo. I feel like a Pentecostal right now.
Nathaniel, you have 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What the hell was that? I'm scared. And I hurt my leg. This is the thing, though. You thought about